welcome back to our channel. So today we're just going to have a day adventure where we go out into the Copper Basin area of Idaho because we had heard that there was a pretty big flower bloom, and we're not even into Copper Basin all the way yet, and even just right here, I mean it smells like you're in a flower shop. There's just flowers everywhere blooming. It smells like you have a flower bouquet just right up in your face. So there is a ton of flowers out here.
So we have to go clear to the other side to go to the meadow that has this overview of all the flowers.
But so far it's like perfectly calm. It's like 70 degrees. There is quite a few bugs.
It's a little buggy, but I think we'll be okay. We'll adapt.
I mean, it makes sense. You have a lot of moisture this year and all the flowers are blooming, and so there's going to be bugs. That's part of being outdoors in Idaho.
All right guys, let's get going. Alright guys, so this entire hillside is completely covered in flowers. You can see the creek side over here next to me. It's absolutely gorgeous. Definitely mega bloom for sure in this area.
This entire meadow is just flowers everywhere. What did you think of the flowers today?
They're pretty amazing. I didn't even realize that there was so many different types of wildflowers in that area until you actually see them. Like,
yeah, and when they all bloom at once, I mean, it's insane. The smell is just like hits you right in the face.
I think that there is just a really short window though of being able to see these flowers.
Yeah, when summer hits, it'll go from like low 70s just immediately to like 90s to 100. There was some parts that we were going to explore that we ended up not doing, but we still found the sweet spot that just was just exploding, and it was really calm. There was just a really light breeze there, and that part was amazing.
And it's got so many rolling hills. Like you can see the rolling hills in the distance, and everything is just green.
And we had heard of some of these like flower blooms where it just is insane. The one that's popular is out at Craters of the Moon, because that's such a deserty volcanic area that for a very brief time it will just explode with wildflowers. And so, you know, we had heard, and we'd been kind of planning to go up into Copper Basin when all these flowers were exploding. And today was just the perfect day, because some of that footage we got, I'm just like, man, I wish we had smell-o-vision, because then you would be like, know what we were talking about.
It's just so sweet, you know, and then it changes, like all the smells, all the flowers have just different aromas.
You would have to buy a bouquet this big and just stick your face right in it to experience what we experienced today.
It was absolutely worth the drive. It is a long drive, you know, but it's just totally worth it, because like I said, I think in a week or so all those flowers are going to be gone. And
you have maybe 5 days when it blooms like that, and then the sun just will annihilate all those flowers. I think that pretty much summarizes our day, and we're gonna head home. Thanks for watching.
We'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.